morning, YouTubers. Sawmill Bill 70 here. I'm down here at the sawmill shed build, and I just got my hose run down. You can see the hose laying. I think you can see that laying over there. I had to buy another 100 foot of hose to get down here, but don't have water down here. Do have electric. But anyway, what I'm going to do now is uncover these, and I want to run my string lines. And then I'm going to pull the cement out and get set up and start mixing. Not exactly sure. Probably how it's sitting right now is how I want it. I'll put those horses there back here. And I'll roll that back, and I can slice the bags open and dump them in, rather than trying to lift the bags and dump them in. Can't do that anymore. So I'm going to try to make it as easy as possible, and then after it's mixed, I'll bring that little wheelbarrow over here. Not a big one, but I can get 2 loads in there, which would be 2 bags. I'm going to mix 2 bags at a time. Then I'll dump it, and I'll take it over and put it into the sonotubes. But I'll bring you along when I get there. Right now, I'm just getting set up, so just give you an idea what I'm doing. So, get back to you a little later. Okay. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take one of those skids. I think they weigh around 1,200 pounds, a little over maybe. I'm going to set them on here. Hopefully these are metal, but they're folding, and I don't know what weight capacity they are, but we're going to find out. And I'll bring you along for that. And then I can lift them off here and just take them right over to the, rather than bending over and picking. That's what hurts your back. So, well, we'll get at it. I'll get back to you when I'm ready. Okay, so far so good. Seemed to work out alright. It seems to be holding up. It's sturdy. With all that weight, how could it not be? But that's what we're going to work with. I hope they hold up. So I'll get back to you when I start mixing. Alright, I'm set up here. Got my strings run. And now I'm going to start mixing some concrete here. Wish me luck. These bags seem a lot heavier than they did last year, and it's still 80 pounds. And by the way, right now it's partly cloudy, but it looks like it's going to be nothing but blue sky. I started out here at 7:30 in the morning, and I went to, it's about 78 degrees out, but it is humid. It is very humid. So anyway, that's where I'm at right now, so we'll get back to you when I start mixing. As you can see, that mixed good enough to mix it longer. Anyway, I'll just add water so it'll dry.
I don't know if I'm still recording. No. Yeah, I am. Okay. Get a little closer here. Now these lines are the outside, so I want to go an inch and a half in. Yeah. And that's about what I want right there. I'm set it out to 1/4. Alright. I don't know what's going on here. Alright. Alright, that's that.
Okay, I'm down at the other end, the 32-foot end, and I'm going to fill this one up. This one will probably take, well, what's in there plus another 2 bags, so I'll mix them up and I'll get back.
Alright.
Now we'll set this. Alright. Now, this way, I don't think it matters because one leg might be stretched out further than the other. We'll get it close if we can and go from there. Alright, let me get it set here. Hang on. An inch and a half, and that's the 2 1/4. That's about right. Okay. Right on. And that's it. Now we'll leave that set a little bit. then I'll come back to it. Okay, well, what I'm going to do, I'm probably going to end this video here because, like I said, don't want to get them way too long, but this will be the 2 back corners, and that'll give me a line for the ones that I haven't done yet, where to set them. So everything's set in line, and hopefully everything's going to work out here. So well, that's going to be it for this video. I'll have another one shortly on this, so I don't know if I'm going to make these part 1, part 2 or not. I don't know. I'll try to keep them in line so that we don't get confused, I guess. But that's going to be it for now, so catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Alright, everyone. I didn't video it. I'll tell you what, it took everything I had just to do this. I got 4 corners done. Got this corner down here, 32 foot. Got that done, and that's really what I was just hoping to get today, but I ended up doing this. This one here, and this one up here, so I got all 4 corners done, and that way I can string my line and set the ones in between tomorrow. So that's where I'm at right now. I just got the ones in between. I got 2 up front and 3 in the back, so hopefully I can finish them up tomorrow. My body will let me. So it's going to be it for now. Appreciate you watching. Everyone have a great day.